In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft Teams with a few handy tips that will make your virtual meetings run smoother and be more productive. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or simply looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started with opening Microsoft Teams. Ensure you have the application installed on your device. If you haven't done so yet, don't worry. Head over to the Microsoft website and download the app for your respective operating system. Once you're set, launch the application and log in with your credentials. If prompted, enable the necessary permissions to ensure Microsoft Teams functions correctly during your meetings. Now let's dive into the meeting itself. One of the most common features you'll interact with is the ability to manage attendees and their interactions, particularly when someone raises their hand. During a meeting, it's important to recognize when participants wish to contribute. Microsoft Teams has made this convenient by highlighting a participant's profile with a hand raise emoji when they raise their hand virtually. This allows the facilitator of the meeting to address the individual, giving them the chance to speak or contribute to the ongoing discussion without interrupting the flow of the meeting. Moreover, keeping track of the conversation is crucial, and this is where the chat feature comes into play. To access the chat, simply click on the chat button within the meeting interface. This will open the conversation side panel where you can view messages, attachments, and other shared information. It's a useful tool for tracking discussions, saving important notes, or sharing links and files in real time among all meeting participants. Understanding these basic functionalities, such as identifying when someone is raising their hand and utilizing the chat feature, will elevate your experience with Microsoft Teams and support a more organized and efficient meeting. It's these small interactions that enhance overall communication and engagement in virtual settings. In conclusion, navigating Microsoft Teams is all about tapping into its interactive features. Watching for hand raises and effectively using the chat are straightforward yet powerful ways to keep your meetings structured and inclusive. By integrating these steps into your virtual meetings, you'll find yourself more equipped to handle group discussions, ensuring everyone gets a chance to participate effectively. So there you have it, a brief yet comprehensive guide to using Microsoft Teams. As you become more comfortable with these features, you'll be able to explore more of what the platform has to offer. Thank you for watching, and remember to regularly check for any updates Microsoft might roll out, as these can bring about new tools and enhancements to your meeting experiences. Until next time, happy teaming.